Hey everyone, welcome back to another maths tutorial. In this lesson, we are learning about pie charts. Pie charts are circular charts divided into slices, where each slice represents a part of the whole they are used to. Show how different categories compare to the total. For example, if we want to show how students travel to school, we can use a pie chart to show what percentage come by bus, car, walk, or cycle. Each slice of the pie shows the proportion for each group. The bigger the slice, the larger the share of that category. The total of all slices always equals 100%. To read a pie chart, we look at the size of each sector and check the labels or key to see what each slice represents. Sometimes data is shown with angles since the whole circle is 360 degrees. For example, if 40% of students walk to school, that slice would be 40% of 360, which is 144 degrees. To draw a pie chart, we first calculate the angle for each category. Using the formula value divided by total multiplied by 360, then we use a compass and protractor to draw each slice accurately. Pie charts make it very easy to compare categories and see proportions. At a glance, they are often used in surveys, reports, and business presentations. That is all for this lesson on pie charts. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more maths tutorials.